I decided to make a separate video for the intro to song 2 because I do have something to add for Kendall and Maddie. So, just watch, okay? So, beginning of song 2, make sure left hand is over, right hand is under, right? So we're here. It's slow, so take the counts, and you're marching. 1, 2, 3. So make sure you're not like putting your head down, just go 1, 2, 3. Right shoulder, make sure you're stepping over the right foot, because we're marching. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is still flat, and then up, backhand 12, up 13, up 14, 15, 16. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, right shoulder, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So take the count, that's slow. 9, 10, 11, don't get there early. Up 12, 13, 14, tuck 15, tuck 16. Okay? Then we're going to go in a ripple. So the back line, Kendall and Julie, is going to go 1, 2, 3, grab 4, cradle 5, 6. Middle line is going to hold, so that's going to be Ren and Maddie. You're going to hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, grab 8, cradle 9, 10. And then the two Emmas hold 8, 9, 10, 11, grab 12, 13, 14. Something to note, which I didn't really go over, I think to make it easier with the silk, after you do this, I say leave your left hand on it. I think we should all just rest the left hand on the silk instead of having it here. You might as well just leave it there because you kind of go like that for the next set, so just leave it. So again, 1, 2, 3, grab 4, 5, 6, and leave the hand there. And also, if you got kind of twisted like this, you can kind of help unwind it discreetly so that it's good. Middle group, Maddie and Ren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, grab 8, 9, 10. Keep it cradle with the left hand on it. Last group, the two Emmas, hold 8, 9, 10, 11, grab 12, 13, 14. Leave the left hand on it. And then the group that faces front, just hold 15, 16. The group that faces the back, you want to go over the left shoulder, turn 15, close. And the group that faces the front, make sure it's, 15 close. Everyone should close on 16, okay? And again, the one group, the group that turns to the back, it's 14, turn over the left shoulder, close 16, and make sure we're keeping the angle. Don't go like this, okay? So that's that for the intro, and then when you practice it, practice going into this just so you can kind of combine it all. So really quick, if everyone could watch this next part really quick, you'll see who it pertains to. Just pay attention, okay? Battery's dying. I'm almost done. It's okay. So when you guys come off the field, right, you do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're turning to the front, I think Kendall and Julie turn to the front. You're here 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da da da. So Ren and Julie should be down. Now Kendall and Maddie, I didn't really have a chance to go over it with you, Kendall, because you weren't here Monday and I didn't get a chance today. So don't panic, but try it because it's pretty easy. So for Kendall and Maddie, you still want to try to get to the sideline by da da da. But at least if you're not there, there's a cheat. Regardless, you're doing this anyway, but try to get to the sideline. So you're here, da da da. You can go more angled, and then there's another 12 count move. It's really a 24, so I split up to 2 12s. What you're going to do, you're basically at the sideline now, or almost there, but your flags are to your left, right? Your swing flags, you have to move to the left. Just to make sure you get there quicker, you can strip 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Something like that, right? So as you're moving, like you're basically going to slide along the front as close to the sideline. So if you're not at the sideline, get there as soon as possible. And then if you are there, you want to slide as far, like really just go as far as you can. Put the flags behind the panels. You want to make sure behind the panels so that it's, because you don't really have time to like set it nice, okay? So you want to just kind of get it back there so that it's not distracting, okay? So again, you're here. You can go 11, 12. You can go right into the strip. So you can go more angled. 1, 2, 3, maybe we'll make that 6. We'll go like that. We'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's all. So just strip for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, grab 11, down 12. Again, one more time. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab it, 12. And then you're down. And you should be right by your swing flag. Just so you have something to do. So you're not just like running off. It gives you something, and you're right along the sideline. You're being very dancey. So from this side, it looks like this. Da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab it here, down. So just grab it here, or you can go like, or maybe go like that, down. Okay? We can work on it, but just I want you to practice that because I do want to run it. We only have one practice next week, and I have other things to get to. So I just want to make sure when you're at home, can you try like going up and then sliding with that, because you have kind of a ways to slide. You can get there in 12. So do like a straight slide on that last 12. So do it while you're marching, right? You're here, da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab it and down. Just grab it with your thumb up. That's just easier. Grab the thumb up and then down. The reason I didn't slide so much is because I would be out of frame, but slide. Make sure you're sliding along the sideline. You're gesturing up to the audience. Grab it, down 12. You're behind the panels. Okay, just something to practice. I know we didn't really get to do it much, but it's easy, so you can practice it. Okay, and that is all the updates for song 2.